Dubai is a city and emirate in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, located on the southeast coast of the Persian Gulf. It is known for its modern architecture, luxurious shopping, and lively nightlife. Here are some facts about Dubai. Dubai is the largest city in the UAE and the capital of the Emirate of Dubai. The city has a population of over 3.3 million people, and it is the most populous city in the UAE. Dubai is a hub for international trade and commerce, and its economy is largely driven by tourism, real estate, and financial services. Dubai is home to some of the world's most iconic skyscrapers, including the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building at 828 meters. The city is also known for its luxurious shopping malls, such as the Dubai Mall, which is one of the largest shopping centers in the world. Dubai has a hot desert climate, with summer temperatures often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and mild winters. The city is home to a diverse population, with a mix of locals and expatriates from around the world. Dubai has a rich cultural heritage, and visitors can explore traditional markets, souks, museums, and historic landmarks, such as the Dubai Museum and the Jumeirah Mosque. In addition to shopping and sightseeing, visitors can enjoy a variety of activities in Dubai, including desert safaris, indoor skiing, water sports, and theme parks. Dubai is also known for its world-class dining scene, with a wide range of international cuisine and Michelin-starred restaurants. Overall, Dubai is a vibrant and cosmopolitan city that offers visitors a unique blend of modern luxury and traditional culture. Dubai has a long and rich history that dates back to prehistoric times. Here's a brief overview of the city's history. Prehistoric Dubai. Archaeological evidence suggests that the area that is now Dubai was inhabited by nomadic herders and fishermen as far back as 4000 BCE. Early civilizations. The area was later settled by various civilizations, including the Sumerians, Akkadians, and Babylonians, who traded in frankincense, myrrh, and other valuable commodities. Islamic era. In the 7th century, Islam arrived in the region, and Dubai became an important center for trade and commerce between the Arabian Peninsula and the Indian subcontinent. Portuguese rule. In the 16th century, Dubai fell under Portuguese rule, which lasted until the 17th century when it was taken over by the British. Pearl trade. In the 19th century, Dubai became a major center for the pearl trade, which brought wealth and prosperity to the city. Oil discovery. In 1966, oil was discovered in Dubai, which transformed the city's economy and led to rapid development and modernization. Formation of the UAE. In 1971, Dubai joined with 6 other emirates to form the United Arab Emirates, UAE, a federation that brought political stability and economic growth to the region. Modern Dubai. Since the 1980s, Dubai has undergone rapid development, with the construction of iconic skyscrapers, luxury hotels, shopping malls, and theme parks, making it a popular tourist destination and a hub for business and commerce. Today, Dubai is a modern and cosmopolitan city that has retained its rich cultural heritage and continues to be a center for trade, commerce, and tourism in the Middle East. Dubai offers a wide range of activities and attractions for visitors. Here are some of the top things to do in Dubai. Visit the Burj Khalifa. This iconic skyscraper is the tallest building in the world and offers stunning views of the city from its observation deck. Explore the Dubai Mall. This massive shopping center is one of the largest in the world and features over 1,200 stores, as well as an aquarium, an ice rink, and a variety of restaurants. Go on a desert safari. Take a thrilling ride through the dunes of the Dubai desert in a 4x4 vehicle, followed by a traditional Bedouin-style dinner and entertainment. Visit the Dubai Miracle Garden. This stunning flower garden is the world's largest, featuring over 45 million flowers arranged in elaborate displays and patterns. Take a boat tour. See the city from a different perspective with a boat tour along the Dubai Creek or around the Palm Jumeirah. Ski at Ski Dubai. Enjoy a unique skiing experience in the middle of the desert at this indoor ski resort, which features real snow and a variety of slopes and runs. Visit the Dubai Museum. Learn about the city's rich history and cultural heritage at this museum, housed in a 200-year-old fort. Enjoy the beaches. Dubai has a number of beautiful beaches, including Jumeirah Beach, which offers white sand and clear waters. Visit the Dubai Fountain. This spectacular fountain show, located outside the Dubai Mall, features dancing water, lights, and music. Go on a hot air balloon ride. Take a peaceful and scenic ride over the desert landscape, offering breathtaking views of the city and surrounding area. These are just a few of the many activities and attractions that Dubai has to offer. Dubai has a hot desert climate, with high temperatures throughout the year and very little rainfall. Here's what you can expect from the weather in Dubai. Summer, June to September. This is the hottest time of year in Dubai, with average high temperatures ranging from 38 to 42 degrees Celsius, 100 to 108 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is also high during this time, making it feel even hotter. It is recommended to avoid outdoor activities during the hottest part of the day. Fall, October to November. Temperatures start to cool down slightly during this time, with average high temperatures ranging from 32 to 36 degrees Celsius. The humidity also starts to decrease. Winter, December to February. This is the most pleasant time to visit Dubai, with average high temperatures ranging from 23 to 27 degrees Celsius. The evenings can be cooler, with temperatures sometimes dropping to around 14 degrees Celsius. Spring, March to May. Temperatures start to rise again during this time, with average high temperatures ranging from 29 to 34 degrees Celsius. The humidity also starts to increase. Overall, Dubai is a year-round destination, but it's important to keep the weather in mind when planning your activities and packing for your trip. Be sure to stay hydrated and wear appropriate clothing to stay cool during the hot summer months. There are many car rental companies in Dubai, including international brands such as Avis, Hertz, and Budget, as well as local companies. You can easily book a car rental online before your trip or at the airport upon arrival. It's important to note that in Dubai, cars drive on the right-hand side of the road and the speed limit is typically 120 km per hour, 75 miles per hour, on major highways. Dubai has a variety of hotels to choose from, ranging from budget-friendly options to luxury resorts. You can find many popular international chains such as Hilton, Marriott, and Intercontinental, as well as unique boutique hotels and local options. It's best to research and book your hotel in advance to ensure availability and the best rates. You can book both car and hotel rentals through various online booking platforms such as Expedia, Booking.com, and Agoda, or you can book directly with the rental companies and hotels. It's always a good idea to read reviews and compare prices before making your final booking. Dubai is generally considered a safe city for tourists, with low crime rates and a high level of security. The government of Dubai takes safety and security seriously, and there is a strong police presence throughout the city. However, as with any destination, it's important to take common sense precautions to stay safe. Thanks you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel.